donkey and the fox in the brush. They formed a coalition in the twilight hush. They chased down a stag and a mountain of meat. Now it's time. Van 'n neonverligte dorp. Die man en die leeu was net rond en talm spog oor hul krag en hul stamboom tiere. Wie's koning van die land, wie's koning van die see? Die man wys op na marmer vertoon, 'n held in die tuin het koue grys gekloon. Wurge leeu met 'n brons bedekte hand. Sien, sê die man, ons is here van die land. Maar die steen is 'n leenaar en die bytel net 'n tool. In die hande van die wenner maak die hoorwe na die reël. Ja, die standbeeld vertel 'n storie waar die mens op die troon. Maar as leeu's die beeldhouers was dit heeltemal anders gewoon. Die leeu leun vorentoe, gee die marmer 'n snuf. Kyk na die held waar daar staan, ysig en sif. Hy raak nie kwaad nie, hy brul nie eers. Hy kyk net na die man en wys na sy seer. Dis 'n mooi klein prentjie, dis 'n groot ontwerp, maar dis gebore uit jou ego, nie my waarheid sterk. Jy hou die hamer en jy hou die mes. Jy kerf jou weergawe, wat jou lewe pas die beste. As die pote klei kon hou, as ons werk deur die nag, sou die man net hardloop in die môre lig se lag. Wie se hand, wie se waarheid, wie se hand, wie se waarheid. Maar die steen is 'n leenaar en die bytel net 'n tool. In die hande van die wenner maak die hoorwe na die reël. Ja, die standbeeld vertel 'n storie waar die mens is die koning. Maar as leers die beeldhouers was dit 'n ander vertoning. Kyk na die handtekening onderaan die raam, voor jy glo in die glorie van die naam. Geskiedenis word geskryf deur die met die pen in die hand, of die bytel, of die lens. For the spoils, it's time for the treat. Hey, donkey roared Leo, you're a fair-minded guy. Divide up the pile, give it a try. The donkey played it straight, split it 3 even ways, thinking logic and justice would win in the praise. Oh, the math of the jungle ain't the math of the school. You don't play fair when a king makes the rule. One for the pride and none for the ghost. Don't be the one who offers the toast. Leo looked at his plate, then he looked at the ass. With a swipe of his paw, the moment did pass. Now the donkey is dinner a heap on the floor, and the lion turns round, wanting even more. Hey, fox, he purred with a drop on his chin. Why don't you try, let the sorting begin? The fox didn't blink, didn't utter a sound. He swept all the meat into one giant mound. He kept a tiny scrap, just a bone for his plate, left the rest for the king, avoiding his fate. Leo smiled wide, well, you're clever and wise. Who taught you to partition such a beautiful prize? The fox stepped back, looking over the grass. I learned it, he hissed, from the ghost of the ass. Oh, the math of the jungle ain't the math of the school. You don't play fair when a king makes the rule. One for the pride and none for the ghost. Don't be the one who offers the toast. Learn from the failure of the man who fell before you start ringing that dinner bell. Take the crumbs, give away the gold, if you want to live to be grey and old.